So today we'll be getting into how to make breakfast tortillas. Hi, welcome to Picky's channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna have fun today. So let's get started. To make tacos, naturally we need our tortillas. So I've got into using this brand of tortillas and this particular tortillas because it incorporates spinach into the flour, which then gives it a higher fiber, higher protein content, which is things that I'm interested in. Next, to make breakfast, we need eggs. Um, Natural, whatsoever eggs you like to use. Yeah, I'm using a free range eggs, but any eggs will do the trick. And then next we have these smoked um, pancetta. Um, Pretty much they're just Italian for smoked bacon, thick bacon. I did look it up, and pancetta are supposed to not be smoked; they are supposed to be cured. But this is smoked, as you can see. So it's pretty much like a bacon, except it's thicker. But yeah, again, you can use any meat. It can be sausage, it can be turkey bacon, regular bacon, whatever you're into. And then vegetable wise, today I got onions and tomatoes. I like red onions, but like we can also go fancy and add some bell pepper, jalapeno peppers, whatever vegetables you like. We got here. And then to fry the eggs, I'm going to be using some avocado oil. I've gotten into using avocado oil lately because it has, compared to olive oil, it has a higher heat. Um, it can deal with a higher heat. And then also too, I've noticed that the avocado oil doesn't tend to solidify and become a solid easily compared to other oils, um, which I like. And then I got some seasonings, some bell pepper. I mean some black pepper and some adobo. But you can use any seasoning that you like. It can be garlic salt, anything that you like. So we got our pancetta that has been taken out, placed on the rack, and we're about to put it in the air fryer for 400 degrees. Next, because the eggs cook fast, we are going to work on preparing the vegetables, which since I'm no professional in the kitchen, should just show, you don't have to be a professional to make this. Um, I'm going to work on my vegetables first. Like I said, I just chop it up. There you go. And you have the options of either grilling these vegetables or um, eating them raw. It's all up to you. Depending on how you feel about the vegetables, um, I usually remove the seed. It's up to you on how you feel about your tomatoes, but as you can see, I sliced them up and now I'm just cutting the seed out and scraping it out. There you go. There's a million ways to skin a cat, so if you have a better way of doing it, please 100% do it your way. So luckily for me, this stove came with this apparatus. However, if you don't have this, you can use your frying pan, or if you have the actual tortillas pan. Um, like I said, this came with this, so I already have the stove on, and I'm just gonna lay the tortillas on top. Is that straightforward? You can also do it in the microwave, but it really is better when you do it on the stove top. Um, but we'll leave it on for about 30 seconds to a minute or so. This is very hot already. And then we'll flip it over and the tortillas will be done and ready. If you want your tortillas harder, you can fry. You can fry this tortillas. Put some oil down, let it fry to make it harder and crunchier. That's up to you. But today we just want it nice, soft, warm. As you can see here, it has already changed. It has already become toasted on one side. You see it again. Few more seconds and the tortillas will be done, ready to go. And we'll just make our eggs, check on the pancetta, and we'll be ready to go. So I usually fry my egg with oil, as you can see. I try not to use butter unless I have to. And I find that everything still tastes good, even with oil. To me, it tastes great. And I'm a foodie, so if it doesn't taste good, I'm not doing it, kind of person. But, you can try and cut some things out and still eat delicious. And so we got nice egg here, done. Bacon here. I'm gonna chop it up. This is nothing fancy. You can do it all by yourself. See how long it just took us, probably under 10 minutes to put this whole thing together. All right, maybe 15, because the baking took like 10 minutes. So add our vegetables, sprinkle it in there. If you're into avocado, you can add some avocado in here. I'm not, so no avocado for me today. Yeah, as you can see, we even have leftover vegetables, but it will not go to waste. Next, sprinkle some onions in here. If you like onions, like I said, you can grill it, you can do it raw. I like both, grill and raw onions. Today we'll do raw. Like I said, this is quick. I'm hungry. I'm trying to eat something right now. And there we go. Nice put together meal. So as you can see, I have a nice loaded taco here. And even struggling to close it at this point, and it's gonna be a delicious meal. I'm about to struggle my way through this taco. Um, it's a nice snack, breakfast, hit the road. Yeah, so I'm gonna bite into this. Mm, mm. So many flavors in my mouth. It's a delicious roti success. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for hanging out.